Hey, what is good, YouTube? I'm finally back with another video for y'all. It's been like around a little over 2 weeks now, so half a month. But yeah, as you read the title correctly, we'll be doing a 1900 Supreme Week 1 unboxing. So the process of me getting the items, it wasn't too hard. I basically had my game plan, I had my list of items and carts, how I was gonna arrange everything, and backup plans in case stuff sold out, this and that. So this is how I went with it. I ended up getting 4 orders on one card, and then I got 1 order on another card, so that was a total of 5 orders. But besides me explaining all of that, let's get into the items. All right, so I have all the packages laid out. I got a total of 7 packages because of different items, different sizes, and all of that. The way I'm gonna do it, we're gonna go from, I'd say, the least interesting and least hype stuff into the more hype stuff. So yeah, let's get it. So if we're going from least interesting to most interesting, we're gonna start off with the boards, because it's just a skateboard deck. It's nothing more than that, really. Give me a sec. We got 2 from the same set, so that's a win in case I want to like get rid of both of them together. The first one we're opening up is the Black Balloons board. So they not only did they have a skateboard, not only did they have a board with this, but they also had a tee. This came in this colorway, that was the black, and another colorway that we also have. We also got paper. We also got the week 1 gift, which is rubberized gloves. I already got a couple of these in my other orders. It's pretty nice. Let's move on to the other deck. I should like automatically time lapse stuff. Clean cut. And here we have the silver board, the silver balloon deck, and another pair of rubberized gloves. So we have 2 right now. So yeah, I'd say that they both look pretty good. If I was gonna skate one, I'd probably choose the black one because it's black and you're not gonna see the wear as much. And if I was gonna display one, I would choose the silver because it just looks a lot more appealing and unique, more artsy in my opinion. All right, so now we got more of a rectangular type package, something more simple that you're used to, that we're used to. I think there's hats in these because I ordered a bunch of hats from the first drop. Got a lot of paper. Got our first sticker pack. Nothing of note there. More rubberized gloves. All right, we got this regular mohair. It's either mohair or cashmere beanie. They dropped these in week 1. Nothing of note there. All right, this is our first, I'd say, slightly hyped item. This is the New Era Icy logo cap, S logo cap. So it's basically a S logo fitted with ice embroidery on top of it. So I'd say it's pretty nice for a winter piece because it has ice on it, obviously. So it'll match with the snow, if that makes any sense. Then you got a Supreme BOGO on the back. It's a pretty nice piece. I feel like it's pretty good overall. I don't really have anything to say about it because this isn't really something I'd personally wear. I used to wear fitteds in middle school, so obviously not in middle school anymore. This is not my style, but I know a lot of people who it would suit. Something else that we have this like ARC logo Supreme beanie. Oh, it's by New Era, just remembered that. So basically it just spells Supreme in an arch. Not really my style per se, but probably someone else's. And finally in this package, we got the most hype thing from this package. the Supreme Futura cap. It's not a fitted, obviously, because it has like, I don't even know what I'm saying. Yeah, it has a snap on the back, so it's a snapback, obviously. It has the Futura logo spelled out. It has the Futura Supreme spell out on the front. I'm surprised it's printed instead of embroidered. But yeah, I like the colorway a lot. The blue on the white is really clean for now until someone wears it. I can already see the inside just like grabbing dirt from someone's musty ass forehead. That's mesh here. Yeah, it's a nice hat. All right, next package. The funny thing about this package in particular is that I wasn't the one who opened it first. My family members opened it first because they thought it was for them. So I was like, that was just funny to me. I'm like, opening my stuff. We got 2 sticker packs, 2 more rubberized gloves. I think it's because it's more of a stock or chock full cart. This cap is really, really nice. It says Supreme in multicolored lettering, all embroidered of course, and it's in the purple colorway. These sat longer than the other colorways, but this is doing the best on the resale market. And I just really like how it looks, honestly. And I can see why it's going for as much as it's going for, which is like 90 bucks. We got another beanie, but in green or teal. We have our first bag. So this is this season's waist bag. I got the black colorway because black always does the best for the most part. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It just says Supreme big and bold on the front. You got your little adjustable strap on the back. Little Supreme box logo in red. You also have Supreme on the inside. I don't know if you can see that clearly. On the inside on the nylon. I mean, I'd say it's pretty solid, but oh, there's also a pocket in the middle. I mean, on the inside of the big pocket, that's pretty good. And yeah, it looks like a pretty good bag overall. No complaints there. Here we have a few of the tees from this season. Again, to those in a minute. Right here we have another one of the ARC logo spell out beanies. And here we have our first backpack. Got it in black, because you can never go wrong with black. Unless you're racist. Alright, let me stop playing. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty calm. It has Supreme D-Boss straps going along the sides of the outside of the bag. Pocket-wise, I got a little small pocket here. You can put like your bud or your phone or your bud. And you got your big pocket here. You have a laptop sleeve, regular big pocket stuff, and you have your small pocket. Overall, just off first glance, I'm not too impressed. Because there's been a lot, in my opinion, there's been a lot better bags in previous seasons. This one just seems a bit plain to me in functionality. In looks, it's pretty good, but functionality-wise, I feel like it's lacking. Now, let's finally get into the tees. So I have 4 tees right here in this package. We're gonna go over all of them. First one is the Lover's tee. I got this tee in a large and in a white. This tee was kind of sitting on the first week. Surprisingly, I feel like it's a pretty good design overall. It's pretty clean. Moving on from that, we have my favorite tee from the season, from week 1, of course. It's the Supreme Jet tee. So I got this in a medium, which is my size, because this is going to be a personal most likely. I love the vintage, the more vintage-esque graphic of this, and the branding isn't too heavy, and I just like the graphic overall. And I can see myself wearing this a lot. On our second to last tee in this package, we have the Supreme Nueva York State tee, whatever. It reminds me of UPS. No, not UPS, but USPS for some reason. The Postal Service. It's pretty chill. I'd say it's not too out there, but not too plain of a graphic. Yeah, it's pretty calm. And just like how they had the balloon decks, they have the balloon tee to go with it. I got this in a large gray. I say the graphics pretty chill. If you're getting into Supreme, I could see a lot of people get this as their first tee. It says Supreme shirt. All right, next package. Let's get into it. This is our last one with t-shirts. And I think this is an all t-shirt bag. Oh. Alright, we got another sticker pack, another rubberized glove. And I think there's like 5 tees in here. So there's another Supreme Nueva York State tee in white and large, so I don't need to really show you guys that. Another Lovers tee. This is a small. I got another Jets tee in the same colorway in a small as well. And now these last tees are, I'd say, the staple tees of the first week. So you have this Pharaoh photo tee. It's like low-key like a collab because it's like a photo tee with one of like these famous people. I don't really know too much about this guy, but yeah, I got this tee in a large. I like what he's wearing. Like, he reminds me of a Rasta in a way. I don't know if that's wrong saying that or whatever, but yeah, pretty nice tee. And now this last tee is another personal for me. It's the Supreme Futura spell out in black in a medium. It has the same spell out that was on the cap, but now it's on the tee, and instead of it being blue, it is white on black. And it's a pretty solid tee. I really like how clean it is. And on the back it says "Justice for all." That's a quote I can really get down with, especially in these trying times. And yeah, this is gonna go for the body. I'm not gonna rush to wear it because they're probably not gonna re-release this for a while or re-release it at all. So yeah, now we got 2 more packages. We're coming down the home stretch. Stay with me, guys. We got this. All right, this is our second to last package. I already know what's in here. It's pretty simple. Another pack of rubberized gloves. Another sticker pack. It's like, how many gloves did we get? Like, Jesus. We got another waist bag in black. I already showed you, so I already have to show you again. And we got another backpack in black. Whoop-de-doo. So we're on to the final package now. This is my first cart and my most expensive cart. It's only 2 items, but these items were more of the hyped items of week 1. And let me show it to you. Here we go. I hope nothing is damaged. Here we go. Another sticker pack and another set of rubberized gloves. I think I have like 8 pairs of rubberized gloves at this point. But here are our 2 items. The first one is an item from the Supreme Smurf collaboration this season. It's the Supreme Smurf Gore-Tex in a small. So it's just a Gore-Tex jacket with Smurfs embroidered all around it. It goes from the bottom of the jacket to around the hood, to the back, around the hood, down to the other side of the bottom of the jacket. I'd say it's a pretty random piece. I'm not too fond of this collaboration myself, I really like this touch though. You got the Smurf painting the Supreme on the chest right here. It's a really nice detail, but that's the only standout thing for me on this piece. Besides that, I don't feel like it's worth its price of, I think, almost $400. But pretty solid overall. I can see why some people would like it, just not me personally. I do like Gore-Tex as the brand because their material is really good and it really holds up to its name. It's been around for a while. Yeah, here we have the final piece from this unboxing, this grand unboxing. As we had the Icy fitted, we have the Icy Arc logo crew neck. So instead of it having just one S with the ice on it, you have all the letters on the Arc logo with ice on it. This is a really cool piece. It breathes fresh air into the Arc logo because it was getting really stale for a while to a lot of people. But having that little bit of ice embroidery really sets it apart from the other ones from the past. And I feel like it's gonna be more of a seasonal thing. So probably when summer hits, the prices of these are gonna go down, but as it comes to fall and winter again, it's gonna go up. And I got this in a small, so really thankful for that. I feel like this is the best colorway. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what was your favorite piece, which ones caught your eye the most, and if you copped anything on the first week yourself. Besides that, most of the things that I unboxed today will be going on my resale page on the 26th. The link will be in the description as always. And besides that, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day. Until next time, peace.